Autonomous systems and smart manufacturing. The factory that thinks manufacturing is changing fast. The factory floor is no longer just about machines, assembly lines, and manual supervision. It is becoming intelligent, connected, and increasingly autonomous. Welcome to the next phase of Industry 4.0, where smart manufacturing is not just improving production. It is reshaping how businesses respond to disruption, demand shifts, and global competition. Today's manufacturers are under pressure to deliver faster, reduce waste, improve precision, and stay resilient in unpredictable markets. That is where autonomous systems come in. The shift begins with intelligent manufacturing. Instead of relying only on fixed processes, smart factories use data to monitor operations continuously, predict problems, and make faster decisions. One major driver is robotics. Industrial robots and collaborative robots, or cobots, are becoming easier to deploy and more flexible. Cobots can work alongside humans, helping improve productivity without requiring a complete redesign of the factory floor. Then comes AI-driven automation and predictive analytics. Machines can now learn from real-time and historical data, helping manufacturers anticipate equipment failures, reduce downtime, and optimize production schedules. Digital twins are another critical piece. By creating virtual replicas of physical systems, manufacturers can test scenarios, identify inefficiencies, and improve processes before making real-world changes. And with IoT-enabled smart factories, machines, sensors, and enterprise systems are connected into one data ecosystem. This creates real-time visibility and lays the foundation for autonomous decision-making. But the real story is not automation alone. It is resilience. Traditional automation follows instructions. Autonomous manufacturing adapts. A smart production line can adjust output based on demand, supply constraints, or operational conditions with minimal human intervention. That means the factory of the future is not just faster, it is self-optimizing. This also changes the workforce. As routine tasks become automated, companies need more skills in system management, analytics, and strategic oversight. For businesses, the question is no longer whether to adopt smart manufacturing technologies. The question is how to scale them effectively. To learn more about this market, explore the BIS research report in the description below, and subscribe for more deep tech insights shaping the future of industry.